It's okay. Take a deep breath.
I'm on the truck, bro. Hit me. I don't know the person that punched me.
Girl,
I'm in pain, bro.
girl driving by his jacket according to that yard.
You don't know who it was?
I got beat up. I'm Michael Bennett. It's on low. I got ran over.
You might not have recognized him from the introduction, but this video is about Dave. Dave's been on the channel multiple times, and he is the perfect example of how broken our mental health care system is in America. I want to start off by telling you that Dave is not homeless. He has an apartment courtesy of the U.S. government and has a caretaker that checks in on him sometimes. Regardless of that, Dave is constantly taking up emergency services. This video is the fourth time in just a few months that Dave has been transported by police to a medical facility, and these are just the ones that I am aware of. Dave has a mental illness that affects how he thinks, feels, and behaves. He often appears to have lost touch with reality, and this has made him susceptible to drugs of abuse like cocaine and methamphetamine, which only make his mental state more volatile. At least 4 times in just as many months, police officers have taken him to emergency facilities for his own safety. The problem is, nothing about his care has changed. Often when a police officer takes a person to a hospital, he's back on the streets within a few hours. They hold him until he's calmed down. Then he's right back out on the street and does it all over again. This is not how we treat people with serious health problems. Why do we do it with mental health? With proper care and supervision, Dave would be an amazing man to be around and could live a productive and fulfilling life. Without proper care and supervision, he's about as capable as an Alzheimer's patient. We don't give Alzheimer's patients a free apartment and a debit card and send them out on their own. But for some reason, we do it with people like Dave. In today's video, you'll see Dave after he's been assaulted. He's a shell of his usual self. Someone has to watch over him. I hear all the time about how the police aren't properly trained or equipped to handle people like Dave. But I haven't seen anyone else stepping up.
Kind of on and off all day. He's been up for a couple days. We usually work with him. He's usually pretty calm. Today's been a bad day. He's been trying to go to treatment. He's got Medicare. He can't get into a lot of places. He wants to go to treatment, but today he just had like a spiral out. Like he's in the building trying to do stuff, like destroy things. Come out, got crazy.
Tried to set me on fire.
Tried to set people on fire. I was trying to keep it a little light just because.
What's his name?
David.
David?
He really needs help, like just mental help. He has Medicare.
Is he bleeding right now too?
His eye is bleeding.
Okay.
His eye right here is bleeding. It's not like super bad. It's just like a little cut.
Okay. We'll see if he wants a medic. Did he say anything about a medic?
No. I didn't know if you guys could transport him to like a medical, mental facility.
Okay.
Because we've been trying to get him, and he's tried so many times to get treatment, and it's like so defeating now at this point. He's like, wow, he's been up for days.
He's flashing like body cam.
Okay. It's good. Thank you guys.
You say he's trying to light you on fire. I mean, like, take the lighter like this inside the church.
He's hallucinating.
He's got schizophrenia, right? And so, because he's been up for a few days,
before all of
just...
that, he tried to shove this in my mouth, a whole one in my mouth as well.
Okay. Kind of had to lock him out of the church and stuff too, so.
Okay. You guys work here?
Yeah.
So the one girl that was in there, she said she had a knife? Yes. She's in there bragging or something?
That's what
that's what she said.
She's in there right now bragging like, oh, I got a knife.
The other guy got ghosts.
Well, Scott's in there, so if
They
anything's
ran through
happening,
my
he would tell
yard
us.
and they saw him and the girl coming through my yard and they
came
They
through
were
there to tell me.
grooming him. I don't know for what.
No, he
Tell
just
me.
made a scene out here. Something happened. He left. Those people brought him back because they thought he stole something. Now they must have hurt him, so he's now on the ground. He's not.
Who is he saying hurt him?
I think people brought him back.
They
'Cause
brought
he's-
him back through his yard.
They came through my yard.
Oh, we don't know who
He
they
saw
are.
them dragging through my
No.
yard.
I watched
and
them. They had him
came
by the back. Like, see where his
Ah,
hoodie is?
now. The
They had
lady
him by
that,
that. They had him by that, and they was
the
pulling
lady
him
that got her
across the
wallet
street.
stolen.
Okay.
That's the only reason I got involved, because I watch out for him. In our little neighborhood, there's like 4 or 5 houses. We watch out for each other.
Okay.
That's just what we do.
Yeah.
And
So you guys are just neighbors. You don't work here.
No, I'm the neighbor. I'm a
Okay.
neighbor. I stay in the greenhouse.
That's my
right across
church.
the road.
I go to that church.
Okay. Okay.
See?
He wasn't in the pursuit.
We don't want that one.
Obviously, a little irritated there. All right.
Yeah, because he's pretty friendly with everybody. Knows him. I mean,
Yeah, he's been sitting over here
Like a Hispanic guy. Hey, David. David. David.
This is a fresh Levi's.
David, can you hear me? What's going on today?
Ran over, hit my jaw before.
By who? It's okay. Take a deep breath.
I was on the truck, bro. Hit me. I don't know the person that punched me.
girl
I'm
grabbing
in
my
pain, bro.
girl grabbing my jacket, holding to that yard.
You don't know who it was?
I
Red apple.
got beat up. I'm Michael Bailey. It's all out. I got ran over.
You got ran over. Do you think you need a medic?
Whacking in.
You need a doctor?
Organ treatment.
Hospital?
David, do you need a medic?
Oh, yeah.
What hurt, son?
Where are you hurting at, bud?
It never.
Back?
191. Can I get a 24 headed my way?
What you under?
I copy. In the rear 496.
Yes, ma'am.
I copy.
Who knows better than man is dead?
Best thing we can do is pick something and get him to
That was the best one for
He
sure.
really wants it.
Even America was
He has Medicare and he can't get into anywhere but Twin Valley. That's like a week.
And you guys have confirmed that he has like schizophrenia. Is he on
Well,
any
he
kind of
told us
medication?
he's on a medication and he's been up for days.
Oh my God. It's not enough. That was not going.
Do you guys know Richard? Yeah. I've never seen Richard like that.
Damn, the beat up. This give me the ball.
Nashoba?
I never seen him get up like that. Never.
Okay.
Rough.
Yeah.
But like I told them, he really wants help. He does. He has Medicare. He can't get into a lot of places because he has the Medicare. We've sent him to multiple places because of the Medicare. They've rejected him. He wants the help. But the last time spin him out of control. Like that was last week, and now he's been on a bender ever since. Like he wants help.
And he's just been bad since then. Just
Yeah.
bad. And he even said the last time he was here, because I was like, Friday when you were here, you weren't yourself.
What
And
he
he
said,
goes, yeah, it was bad.
I
It was
went both now
bad.
for the water. And like, I don't like him.
And he said the schizophrenia is coming
the
back.
first
That's what he
Yeah.
told us. So
You don't one of them guys.
Where's your glasses at, Dave?
Man, I lost them, bro. I'm gonna get the $2 ones now. Get him.
Yeah, see his dad called this morning early. He was on the
$2
show,
ones.
then he must have made his way down
The
to
other ones,
Belvedere. And then made his way over here. I didn't realize it was the
Oh,
same
they
person.
was.
I don't know who responded to the show, but that might have been Ricky.
Well,
I mean, he's definitely like trying to catch things on fire and whatnot.
Yeah.
Just in general, even in the church.
He doesn't have anything on him, right?
He had just a lighter.
Stop.
Yeah.
That's how close he was. She the one to get never. What that man is saying, she's so smart. Like someone from the job is trying to see what, trying to be a better man. Whoa, man, is a.
Is anybody physically
No,
fighting?
no.
Okay.
Search him, or do they not want to irritate him?
Man, it's like worse. She's worse.
He seems pretty calmed down than he was earlier. Like,
Yeah.
earlier he was like, ah, blah, and then now he's like crying and on the ground.
Not from a nigga. Took them beats like a man. Trip, fall, punch, picked up. Nice. These times. Never know. America. He's found out that day.
Dave, you hurt at all? Did you get hurt?
God. God. That's the sad piece, man. God, never tried.
Hey David, do you mind if I pet you down?
Are you gonna buy that nigga his defense ups?
Hey David.
David, we got an ambulance coming to check you out, all right?
Never had no
Is it okay we pat you down, make sure you don't have any weapons? Is
never rough him.
that okay with you, partner?
Do you want us to help you stand up?
I'm good. I know how to do this by myself.
You're gonna stand up by yourself? All right. Just let me know if you need any help.
All right, buddy. Thanks, man.
You all right?
Let me help hold you up.
You all right?
Baby. I got hit hard in football.
Let me get your arm here, man.
Just stand right here for us, okay?
You got your balance, man? You got your balance?
My God, Rat. I'm gonna take them punches like that, man. My God, I will, man. Punches, baby. Right, stuff like you don't do. In myself.
You don't have anything on you, right?
Yeah, actually coil, baby.
Just search the set of him.
Well, you already got the
I didn't feel anything.
So what else was red with the double D apple? Come on, good.
He's got something squishy in his one pocket, but that's it. Oh, a drink packet?
Couple of coins.
Man.
David, you good, man? You want to sit back down? You want to stand up?
You want to sit back down, bud?
When they see the burger, damn, what's going to happen today? Oh, they gonna know. You had a fight.
Yeah, let's go ahead and sit you right here.
Sit right here. Hey, David.
David, there we go. There we go.
You're
welcome, thank you.
This is rice. What is it? They was in the fire truck back in the day on Franklin, Mr.
All right, David.
What's the day to you?
Some kind of episode. We didn't know if there's some alcohol on board, but
oh my God!
Where did he get a cut on his eye or something?
Smell.
Whoever brought him back kind of roughed him up a little bit, I think. Said they were dragging him by the hood. They were dragging him by his hood.
No, bro.
Oh, great, honey.
We're gonna check you out, all right, partner?
Oh my God!
Anybody got names and stuff?
David.
Buddy, what's your date of birth?
Wait, yeah, Corey, that's my lawyer. My public defender.
Tell me your date of birth.
You're his public defender.
I'm the public defender.
Who else?
I would advise you to talk to this gentleman.
What's your date of birth? What's the other one?
Date of birth.
What's your birthday, Dave?
David Browns, I checked out something.
Your date of birth downtown, David Brown. Date of birth.
J.P. Morgan, baby. Chestnut.
Date.
Anything.
Date of birth. Final check out. What can I do to make your guys' date right? Oh man.
Well.
Besides, we all call in sick and they drink beer.
That's not the grammar.
Yeah.
I don't think he has any medical problem at all. Okay. Thank y'all. Appreciate you guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
We got all the chiefs and shit. We got house inspections.
I seen you out there cleaning like crazy.
Rearrest one motherfucker come in. Don't work on the street.
You know we're going to get there. Well,
Shine the house all up, man.
Very good.
Thank you, guys. See you guys. Dave, what do you say, man? We'll give you a ride. Everything checks out, okay, partner?
You want to take a ride with us?
oh, Jocelyn went across.
You want to go with us?
Come on, man. We're going to give you a ride, okay?
Jocelyn had the pain shoulder.
All right,
Come over
on.
this way.
David, there's no way.
Don't fall over.
You all right?
What hurts? Your leg still hurt?
David was tough to Jocelyn.
A little bit tough. Steel toe in there?
Those are some nice boots.
David, look at his whoopers.
Man, we'll give you a lift.
We're gonna put you. You got to go in this door back here, okay?
Come over here, dude.
Whoa.
Climb aboard, man. Your chariot awaits.
Whoa.
Can you swing your legs up in there?
Let's go to Channel 5, please.
You're good, buddy. You're good. Get your leg in there. There you go.
Hey David, we normally take you to Grant, right?
Where you going now?
You want to go to Grant?
Mark it. So you're losing. Come on, Isaiah and Josh. We better. Now we got some room behind us.
Hey David, do you want to go to Grant Hospital?
One Victor. Okay for a number.
It's Pepsi over Coca-Cola.
Where are you going to go?
Front number.
He's not saying anything. He's talking about Isaiah.
You gotta get through it sometimes.
Hey David.
Shut up.
David. Hey. David. Do you want to go to Grant Hospital? Yeah. Okay. All right. We'll get you there.
Good work. I will follow you all over there.
Yeah.
Just in the event that he goes sideways.
He was as amped up as I've ever seen him when he first got
That's
here.
what he was when he went.
He was throwing stuff
He's
and
generally pretty docile.
Yeah. See,
He's generally very agreeable. I've never had to fight him to take him anywhere.
I've transported him once, but from Neshoba, his place, his dad's place in
Dad's
Neshoba.
place,
He
yeah.
was totally cool and calm, man. A lot less animated than this now.
Yeah, me and Badger had him 3 weeks ago,
Yeah.
probably.
Yeah.
Took him. He loves Badger.
I think he's having
Everybody
an
does.
episode for sure.
Yeah.
I don't
Have
know
we
if it's
ran him
no,
just to make sure?
no.
I checked him this morning. I think he was blind.
12, 13.
You good, brother? You ready to come on out? We're gonna walk you in, man. Take care of you, all right?
You want to take your seatbelt off?
Come on, Dave. Good man.
So good. Oh my God, he's really not scared of you. I can tell by his car.
Hold on, bud. All right, come on. This way.
Oh, what is it?
There we go.
Oh my God. Oh, I can't do it. That man,
This way. There we go. Let's stay out of their way. Here we go. Back here a little bit. Let them out. David, let them out. See you guys coming? Alright. Alright, here we go.
Get scared, baby.
Hold on.
6'9", man. Yeah.